Libby and this is Leah. And we're going to be reviewing the Ready2Robot toys. So we're going to be unboxing them and just letting you know what we think. So they come in a pretty handy package. I've got some scissors because I know it's going to be a bit of a pain to open. So the girls are going to do one each. We're going to build them and let you know what we think of them. So let's open yours first. They're quite hard to get into. I've got the scissors. There's a perforated line where you should be able to get into them, but it's not that easy. Oh, there we go.
They make quite a racket when you open them.
There are perforated lines. I don't really actually need the scissors.
These are what they will look like when you open them. They come with a few of these little strips, and when
these look at the instructions. This tells you what the robots are, so have a look through.
And there's some that tell you what robots there are. These are all of the robots, and you'll get one of these so that you can build whichever one you get.
That's right.
And it'll look like this when you've just opened it, but then you open it again, so there's another package inside.
That's right. Now, these have got numbers on, so we're going to open things one piece at a time. Can you find the number one?
Number one. Number one.
Well done.
Number one.
Okay, so that's the bit that we opened first. And there's instructions inside to show you how to do it once you've opened it. Right, let's have a look. If I help you to open yours, Libby can watch and see if you can do yours yourself. Look, that's number one, and we have to do, just push it like that and open it up. Quite easy. We'll see if you can do it.
What's in here?
Hang on.
I hope it's sweet.
Push that up.
I hope. What's in here?
To do it together. There we go, well done, you did it.
And then you open them.
It's to build your robot. So have you got everything?
You open them one at a time. I hope it's really
inside number one you've got some various little packages, and you open each package, and on the instructions it tells you what to do next. So the next bit is opening the packages.
One.
So
they're quite tricky to open the packages, just to let you know. They're quite tricky. Wow. Because they're really hard firm plastic. What's this?
Just rip them from the top, look.
What's this? And then you open another package. It doesn't matter what order you open them in.
Yeah, that's right. Should we open number two?
Yeah. You help me.
I will.
I wonder what.
There we go. We've got three to open now.
So I go. This one first.
So I help you with that. Just rip down from the top, look.
I'm going to open this one first. And so, in number one package that you get, you might get that, or you might get that. The face is there. So the face is there. And then you stick one sword in like that. So there we go. A sword.
This is this one. It's got some wheels
there
at the bottom.
There isn't a lever on number two. So there may be a lever, but you can't really see it on number two.
Oh, well done.
Mine is going to look like that one. See? And now, where's Leah's? I think Leah's is going to look like that one.
Okay.
It's going to be very hard to open the packages, but all you do is you tear off the top. Like, find a little bend that's gone down and then...
Should I do it?
I think this goes at the top. Number three. If you have this, I think this goes at the top.
So that's why Libby's is that, and we're one piece down with Leah's.
So as you can see, these are my last pieces. So I'm just going to open these. These are my last pieces.
Should we open them up?
So when we finish them, we'll be finished. And we'll throw they're not quite easy for you to open if you're 6. So if you have that one, we nearly finished. If you have that one, it will turn out to look like this. And look, this is It won't have a face because it seems like it's cut off. Yes, but we haven't lost the piece.
And then we've got actually a face to get in a minute. So there's Leah's there.
And we thought these were the arms, but they wasn't. So these are the arms.
So now all we've got to do is to get the face. So that is here. And
can I push my button?
yeah, so you push that down. It's quite stiff, but pushing the button down there. And then that comes out.
Mine? Oh.
And in here,
you have your very own face.
We've got, open this up, Leah. See if you can do it.
What?
There we go, look, I'll take that off for you.
What is
You've got a little person to go inside your robot, and it's in there, and you've got to get your hand in and into the slime to dig it out.
Ew.
So open yours.
It's that.
That in there is your robot.
Oh,
you got purple slime.
Mum, I have got purple slime. You have to put your hand in there and dig it out. For some
Do you want to touch it?
Yeah,
Got
it's slime. You have to. This would get very, very messy. Yeah, but it's not real slime. I've got
Okay, and now your
the
person.
slime and my face.
Person needs
It's
to go
not
in there.
real slime. What? Do you have to put the slime in there?
I don't know really. Do you want to?
No, I just want my person to have a clean. Slime.
Okay. Should we take him out then?
It's not real slime.
Okay, let go of him then.
It's not real slime. Ah, it's stuck to me. Is it glue that's actually
No, it's called slime. There we are.
slime? I just want my person to have a bit of a clean down.
You don't want to put him in with the slime. Right, pop him on your robot.
You may as well put him in with the slime because then he has like a little
Hang on,
seat on the back.
Well, pop him on your robot and then we'll put the slime in as well, shall we?
Ew. There we go. It's not really slime. And then put the slime.
Ah. Oh, you got yours out there.
Slime put it.
Is the slime going back in the pot?
Ew. The slime is now going to go.
Oh, Leah, look at yours. Ew. Can you hold your robot, Liv?
I put mine.
Don't put your slime either on the thing or in the pot so I can help Leah with hers.
Ew. I'm not going to put it anywhere.
Okay.
I'm going to play with it. Ew, Mum, what does it do? I'm putting it back. I'm going to play with mine. See? I'm going to play with mine. Jelly wobbles. It feels like jelly, but it's very sticky and it could get a bit messy. Mum, I'm going to play with mine.
Your robots are ready to battle. You hold yours.
I just need to get the
Hold it in the other
slime
hand.
off me.
Grab your robot.
I can't.
That's
I
Libby's
need to put
robot.
this slime on.
And we've got Leah's
Where's
robot.
the little pot
There.
that the slime came in?
And we've all got very excited about the slime. So there's the pot. You can go back in.
And then I can play with it another time. My hands are very good.
Right.
So we go and wash our hands first? Or not?
No, in a minute. You can have a slime battle with your robots, can't you?
Yes.
There's your slime. Now, can you...
And if any of your toys get broken, then your slime gets poured on your hand.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't. Then the slime of yours get poured on your hands.
Right, so you two, what do you think?
Ready?
You're going to battle? Rah! Robot battle.
I don't want to do it anymore.
Right, so what do you two think of it? Do you like these Ready2Robot toys?
Yeah.
And what do you think you'll use them for now that you've built them?
Play with the slime.
Play with the slime, and what about the robot?
I'm going to give mine to Jasper.
Okay. Are you going to give him the slime as well, or just the robot?
Just the robot, because he doesn't like slime.
Oh, okay, but you do you?
Yeah.
Yeah. And do you like your robot? What do you think of it?
I'm not sure what I'm going to do in my slime. It's quite complicated, but I really like it.
Okay. So it's complicated to make, but you liked it, did you?
Yeah.
Okay. And Libby, there's a bit of your slime now. What about you? Tell me what you thought of yours, Liv.
I thought it was really good, and I think you lot will like it out there.
Okay. What was your favourite thing about the robot? About building your robots?
That we got slime.
And what about you, Liv? What's your favourite thing?
My slime.
Thanks very much for watching. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. There'll be several reviews coming up of various different toys. We're trying to do some reviews that are not necessarily what you'd expect from girls, so just seeing what they think of toys that perhaps would generally be marketed at boys.
So we would like to say thank you for watching our video, and goodbye. Bye.
Bye.